Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we'll be resolving this using Pascal triangle. They say we should expand this bracket using Pascal triangle. And we all know how to plot a Pascal triangle, where we set the first expansion, a plus b raised to the power of 0 is 1. Then a plus b raised to the power of 1 is 1, 1. And a plus b raised to the power of 2 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we bring down this 1. Then a plus b raised to the power of 3. 1 plus, we'll bring this 1 first. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is also 3. Then we'll also bring this 1. So we are expanding to the power 3. So we are using this as a coefficient of the expansion. So now using this as a coefficient, we have the coefficient as 1, 3, 3, 1. So now to expand this bracket, I will say this is equal to the first value, the first coefficient is 1 times this value x raised to the power of the highest value, which is 3, times this one. This is minus 1 over, because of the negative sign, so I must include it, minus 1 over x raised to the power of 0 now. This value will carry the lowest value, while this will carry the highest value. So now as we keep progressing, this will be decreasing while this will be increasing. So next is to add plus. The next coefficient is 3 times this x. This x will now be decreasing, so you have x squared times minus 1 over x raised to the power of 1 now. Instead of power 0, so we have raised to the power of 1. Raised to the power of 1. Then we have plus. The next coefficient is also 3 times this x will be decreasing, so we have x raised to the power of 1 now. Then minus 1 over x raised to the power of, instead of 1, so it will be increasing by 2. It will now be x raised to the power of 2. So the next coefficient is 1. We have plus 1 times x raised to the power of 0 now, times 1 minus 1 over x raised to the power of 3. So from here we can simplify. We have 1 times x raised to the power of 3 is x raised to the power of 3. Any value raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times x cubed is still x cubed. Then I have, this is minus 1 raised to the power of 1 is still minus 1. So minus times plus is minus. I have minus. So 3 times x squared times 1, I have 3x squared, then over x. Right? Then next we add this, we have plus. Minus 1 squared is 1. It will give us a positive value. So 1 over x squared is x squared. So I have 3 times x raised to the power of 1 is 3 times x is 3x all over x squared. This is minus 1 squared is 1 over x squared. So 1 times 3x will give us 3x over x squared. Then I have minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is minus 1. So minus times plus here will give us minus. Then we have 1 times x is x. Sorry, this is x raised to the power of 0. So anything to the power 0 we say it is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is still 1 over x raised to the power of 3 is x cubed. So we can simplify further. X here is 1, x here will reduce 1. We have x will reduce 1x here. So this will give us x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x over 1, which is the same thing as 3x, right? Then I have plus. This is 3 over x squared minus 1 over x cubed. So now this is the value when we expand this bracket with respect to power 3 using the Pascal triangle. If you have any question, do not hesitate to drop it on the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. Thank you. I will see you some other time with another exciting